Now, it's the high-stake prestige war in Tamil Nadu. In about 10 days, as the first phase of the general elections begins, Tamil Nadu will also cast its vote. The Prime Minister's mission Tamil Nadu has hit top gear. He'll be in the state, in fact, today as well. His 7th visit this year. BJP State Chief Annamalai has set a 25% vote share target for the party. Will the BJP be able to make its mark?
Tamil Nadu votes in the first phase of elections on April 19. And as polling day draws closer, the top contenders are roaring in the battlefield. In an exclusive interview to India Today, Chief Minister Stalin made this declaration.
This time also 40 to 40. Definitely.
There is no Modi factor in Tamil Nadu.
Modi வந்து எத்தனை தமிழ்நாட்டுக்கு வராரோ அவ்வளவு கலவத்து டிஎம்கேக்கு ப்ளஸ் இந்த எலெக்ஷனுக்கு எங்களுக்கு ப்ளஸ்.
Tamil Nadu has been a big focus area for the Prime Minister and BJP. Party National President JP Nadda was on a whirlwind tour of central and southern Tamil Nadu on Sunday, where he lashed out at the India bloc.
INDI alliance, this alliance is nothing but an alliance of family parties and corrupt parties that we have to understand. Prime Minister Modi has said that he will remove corruption, and on the India alliance, this is a conglomeration. This is a group of parties who are corrupt and they want to save the corrupt people, corrupt leaders. That is why they are working.
The Prime Minister will be back in the state on Tuesday, his 7th visit this year. He'll also be holding a road show in Chennai.
जब कन्याकुमारी में विवेकानंद रॉक मेमोरियल बन रहा था, उस समय मेरा आना होता था जब बन रहा था. उसके बाद 1975 श्रीमती इंदिरा गांधी ने जो इमरजेंसी लगाई थी, तो इमरजेंसी के दरमियान मैं अंडरग्राउंड था, तो कुछ कोऑर्डिनेशन के काम के लिए मैं पूरे देश में जाता था, तो तमिलनाडु आया.
Tamil Nadu BJP chief Annamalai, who is in the Coimbatore electoral ring, has set an ambitious target of 25% vote share for the BJP.
Over the last many years, the party has put in a lot of hard work. We hope and pray that the Prime Minister's last 10 years of good governance and the image that PM Modi currently enjoys in Tamil Nadu and the party's organizational strength. Of course, we know we are taking on the Dravidian parties. At this time, we are very confident that increase in vote share will definitely 100% happen, no doubt about that. And seats also that the conversion will happen, especially in South Tamil Nadu, in the western region and in Chennai.
No, when you say phenomenal disproportionate vote share, what are you targeting? Is it 10%, 12%, 15%?
20% and above.
20% vote share.
Also in the fight is a fractured AIADMK that has broken its alliance with the BJP-led NDA.
ஒரு தவறான விமர்சனத்தை தொடர்ந்து வைத்து பல வாக்குறுதிகளை நாங்கள் ஆட்சிக்கு வந்தால் செய்வோம், நாடாளுமன்ற வெற்றி பெற்றால் செய்வோம் என்று ஒரு பொய் பிரச்சாரத்தை முன்வைத்து அதன் மூலமாக அவர்கள் வெற்றி பெற்றார். நாடாளுமன்றத்தில் அனைத்து இந்திய அண்ணா திராவிட முன்னேற்ற கழகம் எங்கள் கூட்டணியும் தமிழகத்தில் 39 இடம் தாண்டி செய்து 40 இடங்களில் வெற்றி பெறுவோம். இடைத்தேர்தல் விளம்பரத்திலும் அனைத்து இந்திய அண்ணா திராவிட முன்னேற்ற கழகத்தால் வெற்றி பெறுவோம்.
The countdown has begun. Who will win State Award Tamil Nadu? Bureau Report, India Today.